In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-comment in Manychat. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable automation that replies to comments on your posts or reels, saving you time and keeping your audience engaged. Start inside your Manychat dashboard and open the Automations section. This is where all your flows live. Create a new automation or open an existing one if you already have a flow you want to adapt. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. A short, descriptive title makes it easy to keep everything organized as you grow. Once you're in the flow builder, add a new trigger. The trigger is the event that tells Manychat when to run this automation. Choose the option for user comments on your post/reel. This ensures the flow starts the moment someone leaves a comment on the selected content. If you manage multiple channels, double-check you're setting the trigger for the correct page or profile to avoid confusion. Next, choose which posts you want Manychat to monitor. You have three main paths. You can target a specific post, which is perfect for a campaign or a giveaway where you want precise control. You can apply it to your next post, ideal when you're scheduling content and want the automation ready to go without updating it later. Or you can set it to all posts and reels, which is the most hands-off option if you want consistent engagement across everything you publish. Pick the option that best matches your goal and workflow. Now add your response action. This is what Manychat will do when someone comments. You can craft a friendly reply that acknowledges the comment and guides the person toward the next step, like visiting a link, learning more, or starting a conversation in the inbox. Keep your tone warm and clear, and make the message specific to the post if you're targeting a single piece of content. Short and helpful usually works best, and a genuine thank you goes a long way. Before you publish, test the flow using Manychat's preview. The preview lets you confirm that the trigger fires, the response looks right, and the timing feels natural. If anything seems off, adjust your wording or targeting until it matches your intent. When you're satisfied, go live by publishing the automation. From there, your comments will be handled automatically, and you can refine the message over time based on the engagement you see. That's it. You've set up an auto-comment workflow in Manychat that keeps your audience engaged while freeing up your time.